Alright, so day 10 of my thank you Jesus moment is that nagpa-check up ako ng sasakyan dahil June na, and at the same time may nararamdaman akong ibang takbo na sa kanya, no? So pina-check up ko, it's good at the start of the year para okay ang kondisyon ng aking sasakyan, walang maging problema. And then after few hours, after kong ipa-check, after gawin and everything, good as new. Yung sasakyan, ang ganda uli ng takbo, suwabeng-suwabe, bumalik na yung lakas, no? Na kapag naggagas ka, okay na uli. And so, and my day 10, I would like to thank Jesus for the only mercy na meron siya. Dahil gaya nung sasakyan ko, ako rin, there's a lot of times that I need to be repaired. Nagkamali ako, may mga mali akong ginawa, mali na ang takbo at direksyon at isip ng puso ko, iba na rin, no? And it's good that we have somebody who we can go to para i-repair uli yung ating isipan, yung ating puso, yung ating pagkatao. So day 10, thank you Jesus for your mercy. God bless you.